Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI 13R, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then click on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, just click on one of your passwords that you wish to check and enter your current login method. Then click on this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!